Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I found some Squishmallows. They're pails. They have handles, and look, they have Hello Kitty. Let me make this smaller so you can see better. They have Hello Kitty, and it says Hello Kitty on back. It's white velvet, white plush, and it's got a Hello Kitty tag. It says $20. There's the inside, kind of a pink color, and they have a strawberry pail. It's got a strawberry top. This is Squishmallow named Scarlet Strawberry. And they have a cow with a heart. And it says Squishmallow Cadia. They have some small ones too. Here's one. Oh, it's a double pack. You get Deja. It looks like, I don't know, cinnamon roll or a cookie. I don't know. And milk. 2-pack. Is that all of them? And these, oh, here's some. Oh, look. So you got Finley and Karina, Squishmallow. Oh, and it's a Valentine's. It says Cutie Pie. And this one, who's that? What is this doing over here? Here's a Sonic Squishmallow, Knuckles. And I'm shopping at Target in Florida.